And we are literally talking about making 100 in 24 hours or less just by watching videos. It's not some complicated thing. You don't have to go to the bunch of the stuff or record any videos or any like that. Literally, to do this, all you have to do is www. What up, you guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. It is your boy Rich Podric. If you are new here, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube. You don't forget to tap like button until it's turned blue, and also subscribe to the strongest family on the YouTube by clicking that little subscribe button and join the bell squids. But only do those things if you like making money. If you don't like make money, don't like this video, please don't, and don't subscribe, because that's what we do here. We teach you how to make money online and live in the happier, healthier life, and all of those good things as well. So quick shout out to last videos and the $1,000 course winner. How is he a winner of every single video? We reward two people. The first commenter is our video wins the course of the choice, and the person who gets out the daily video that we do for fun also wins the $1,000 value course. And since you guys have been loving the videos so much, we are going to keep them doing. And so the first person who actually gets the answer correct to today's video will be our next $1,000 course winner. And the video is what is the full of holes, but still holds what are commented to the answer down below. And if you are the first person to get the answer right, we will give you the $1,000 value course. And so today's video we are going to be talking about to make the $100 into 24 hours or the less literally just by watching videos. And if it sounds too good to be true, then this sticks with me all the way until the end of this sort of the video. And I'm not only going to prove that it's but I'm also going to give you guys some really awesome tips to be able to actually exponential this strategy and earn more money living some other secrets way to actually do this even more efficiently. So hang around me till the end. Promise you it will be the worth your time. So how you can actually make money online by just watching videos? I mean, that concept does sounds pretty great, right? You literally could be making money doing exactly what you are doing right now, which is watching a video. Well, I will be honest, this is the strategy that does requires a little bit of those, right? If you think you're going to make a bunch of the money without doing literally anything, you're not going to have the good time, right? Because someone somewhere has to pay you to do something right. If they are not making money from what they actually give them in return, then it does work right. That's the beauty of the capitalistic society. Somebody exchange value with the somebody else. There's usually the monetary equipment of that value, and that's essentially what we are going to be doing here. So how we are going to do actually to make money online is just by watching videos. Well, let's get into those. There's a couple different steps involved by the first steps that we are going to be talking about. The website's called FeaturePoints.com. You can see the FeaturePoints has both a website, but they also have the app, which you can see right here, and Google that actually has over the hundreds of the thousands of reviews with over the 4 stars rating, so you know it must be light. Now basically, once you're actually start up a completely free FeaturePoints account, either inside of the app using your cell phone or on the website, that you are going to be able to do it a lot of the different things to actually start making money. They do have the kind of the basic stuff like the surveys and the things that generally aren't the best use of your time, but they also have the sections where you can actually watch videos. Now, every single one of these videos and ads that you're actually watching, you will start to accumulate points, and these points can be directly transferred into your PayPal, Amazon, and things like that are basically the extra same equipment as the cash on the cool thing that I actually like about the FeaturePoints is to actually the cash that the point out of the Bitcoin if you prefer the cryptocurrency and things like that. That or you will be live a country that doesn't actually support the PayPal. One of the other cool thing about that I like about the FeaturePoints is they actually have the really cool referral programs where every person that you actually refer, you will earn up to 50 of the actual earnings that the person earned. And so if you're really tired to one person who ends up making a bunch of the money using the FeaturePoints, you can earn up to 50% of all of their earnings as well. But but remember, one of the cool parts about making money with the FeaturePoint or any other actual apps similar in the really that you start making more. This is your start doing what's called staking these services. Is the same thing if you're doing the things like user testings. You want to sign up for as many as these services as you can, so you can actually qualify for as many jobs as you can, so you can actually do as many of the things as you can, so you can make as much money as you can, right? Because there's a lot of there's not going to be any particular individual services where you can actually earn a maximum potential, right? I have the people and the students and followers and subscribers on YouTube. Shout out to all of your beautiful people who are actually have multiple phones or multiple people using the sites, and some of the other sites that I'm about to talk about in just about 2 seconds, all of the same time. So you can really maximize this and remember, you don't want to be going to do this type of the things forever. This video for the people who are just starting out and they are trying to earn some money, save that money, and then reinvest into something that's actually more scalable later on the e-commerce, like social media marketing, like using digital marketing or creating an agency or becoming the consulting or doing Amazon or something that you can transform into the actual full-time source of the income. This is not going to be to make you rich, but what is will is where you just started out and you just wanted to save some money, and that you can use then reinvest into the online businesses for the reinvest, most importantly into yourself and your educations, right? This is one of the best ways that it's if you are really just starting out, you have to do more time than in you have the money, because at the end of the day every entrepreneur have even the Elon Musk has entire more money or more time. Elon obviously now has more money, so he dedicates everything to all of this stuff, right? But the beginning of the more time, so he did everything himself. And so as you start to progress in your entrepreneurial journey, you will watch that scales start to shift, and that's when you hire more employers and delegate things like that. And so I do want to talk about some of these other actual apps that you can very similar things. The first app is called the Trailers. Now the app Trailers, you can see over the 40,000 votes with over the 4 stars every, and essentially what they do is they will reward you against with the point that can be converted into the cash for the watching videos related to your Guesses It mobile apps. The next app, so what we're going to talk about is called the app Nano. not to be confused with your nana or Abdullah or the grandma. This app actually has over 560,000 reviews with the 4.3 stars average, which is pretty insane. And essentially all you have to do is on these apps is to earn money and gift cards and all sorts of these things is done on the free app, and do a variety of the other very easy things. And there's so many other apps like the Rewardable and TV2 and all of these different things. And if you guys want to see more make videos different, just to app this where you can actually earn money for free doing literally zero work. That comments on this video down below and make money online. And if we get the 1,000 people who comment and to make money online down on this video or right here, then I will drop the completely free tutorial showing you guys all the most right not scam 100 going to actually pay you for your time apps that are out there, so you can actually start to use all of these apps doing what I like to call stretching, using all of the different apps at once, so literally stacking them to the top of each other, so you can earn the maximum possible amount of the vast amount of possible time, and then take the money and actually reinvest it into yourself and into this capable full-time source of online incomes such as e-commerce, digital marketers, or some type of the agency. And also, did you know we actually have the second YouTube channel that we just launched where you go live 3 times a week, some of the best and the most successful entrepreneurs some around the internet, and teach you live one-to-one how to make money, where you can ask the questions, get involved, engage. It's down below in the descriptions. It's called More Rich Podric. Make sure that do check out the subscribe to right now. We do giveaways and all types of fun stuff. And we also have the second new channel called the Rich Podric Experience, which is actually our top 25 podcasts where we bring around the millionaires and the multimillionaires and all these awesome people, and we interviewed them how they would went from zero. So if you wanted to hear a bunch of the really successful people talk about, go down in the descriptions right now and subscribe to our other 2 YouTube channels, More Rich Podric and Rich Podric Experience. If you like podcasts or if you just wanted to stick around on this channel, we have the brand new playlist coming to you in the middle of your screen. Make sure you click it, coming to you in 3, 2, 1. See you there. Click it, someone clicks clicks the playlist. Okay, you don't have, but I promise you will like it. Click the playlist. See you soon.